Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best home EV charger you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best home EV charger in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Autel MaxiCharger Home EV Charger. The advanced Autel Charge mobile app allows you to track, manage, schedule, and optimize smart EV charging anytime to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates. Adjustable power output up to 50 amps allows you to choose what works best for your home and lifestyle, helping to avoid costly electrical upgrades. A durable 25-foot cord, sturdy structure, and high-grade materials provide maximum weather resistance. A NEMA 4 protection rating provides safe and stable indoor and outdoor use in any environment. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet connectivity options ensure automatic over-the-air firmware updates and seamless connectivity and communication with your mobile device. If you enable the optional start and stop RFID card function, inactivations can be prevented. The device's lead has a glass screen, without a display. Designed by Autel, an industry leader in automotive diagnostic tools since 2004, the MaxiCharger Home is a Level 2, 240-volt electric vehicle charging station that can charge any EV or plug-in hybrid in less time than it would take to use a Level 1 electrical outlet charger. For details, let's watch more. Our second best home EV charger is ELETHOR Level 2 EV Charger. This indoor charging station is verified for UL, FCC, and RoHS standards as well as contains multiple electronic devices such as regular lightning protection, leakage protection, overvoltage protection, overheating protection, overcurrent protection, ground protection, and more. The cable is made of premium quality, rugged TPE material, and the connector functions IP65 waterproof dustproof protection to make it safer and much easier to use this home EV charger. The controller of this home charging station contains a 2.8-inch LCD screen, which shows the real-time charging status such as power status, charging current, and so. The LED indicators on the instrument panel let you recognize the working condition of the EV charger and its charging information. This portable EV charger comes with a NEMA 14-50P plug and SAEJ1772 connector that can be fitted to most electric cars and plug-in hybrid vehicles. Tesla requires an SAEJ172 basic adapter, not included, and this solar-powered charging station has been tested on leading electric vehicle models. Ideal for users who own more than one electric vehicle or possess physical charging stations for electric vehicles. This Level 2 EV charger is based on a 240 voltage and adjustable current of 8 ampere or 10 ampere or 13 ampere or 16 ampere or 20 ampere or 24 ampere or 32 ampere, to reach a max output power up to 7 kW. Making EV car charging faster. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is ChargePoint Home Flex EV Charger. ChargePoint Home Flex is our latest, fastest, and most advanced Level 2 home charger, taking on up to 50 amps and providing up to 37 miles of driving range per hour of charging. Flex can be installed to charge up to 50 amps, allowing drivers to choose how fast they want it and how much they can use their home's electric supply. A ChargePoint Home Flex allows smart home devices to be charged using ChargePoint app. The car charging station offers smart charging features using the ChargePoint app, including the ability to set up a charging schedule, get reminders to charge, see previous charging history, and connect with Alexa. Flex is a UL-listed component that's ENERGY STAR certified and boasts 3-year and 24/7 telephone support. ChargePoint Home Flex can be installed by any licensed electrician, indoor or outdoor, to charge at 16 amps to 50 amps, and comes with either a NEMA 14 to 50 or 6 to 50 plug. A plug-in with a NEMA 6 to 50 outlet is compatible with circuits rated at 40 ampere or 50 ampere. Other ratings can also be plugged in to avoid removing it from the layout to connect a hardwired cable. A flex is installed with either a one-time hardwired installation or a weatherproof NEMA receptacle. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is ShockFlo EV Charger. ShockFlo Level 2 EV Charger offers 4x charging speed than a standard charger, getting you 44 miles with only 4 hours under 240 volt charge. Replaceable NEMA 5 to 15 adapter allow it to be used for both Level 1 and Level 2. Both green and red light may on or flash when powered or charged at 240 volt, it won't affect the normal use. ShockFlo EV electric vehicle charger used for all electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids meeting J1772 standard. For charge anywhere, anytime that has 21 feet charging cord is long and flexible enough for most yards or garages. Storage bag is easier to carry, keeping things organized in car and allowing to recharge anytime and anywhere. IP65 waterproof and international certified to charge your car at its highest possible speed safely. Protect against lightning, current leakage, grounding, low voltage, overcharge, overheat and overcurrent. Plug the charger into the outlet, and it starts charging instantly. LED indicator tells charging progress and errors, letting you know if it's working properly. Last in our best home EV charger list is Topdon EV Charger. Topdon PulseQ Level 2 EV 240 volt 10 kilowatt home charger will work 7 times as fast as an ordinary wall outlet. Equipped with NEMA 14 to 50 connector, J1772 Type 1 standard connector, so it's compatible with electric vehicles with American standard AC charging interfaces or plug-in hybrid vehicles, including Tesla, Ford, GM, Volkswagen, Nissan, Audi, and more. The PulseQ app can set the charging time for your cars during off-peak hours, thereby saving money on your electricity bills. It allows the user to set a pickup current from 6 to 40 amperes, check charging mileage and costs, view charging history, be notified when the battery is completely recharged, and track all data from a charging status and check the price difference between oil and gasoline. The EV charger will automatically create a Wi-Fi network on your phone, enabling you to connect it to your phone and then to your home network, using a single app. The remote device charges several PulseQs at the same time. The PulseQ AC Home EV Charger can be controlled by more than one person simultaneously. And, when the app loses its connection with the charger, it will switch into plug-and-play mode and continue to charge your vehicles intelligently. For details, let's watch more.